All right. That is the first of hopefully a daily series where I'm making custom GPTs for things that I think are interesting. We're going to show off how easy it is to build your own custom GPT if you pay for ChatGPT Plus, some of the problems you can solve without even having to touch a line of code, which is crazy. The first idea that I have that I want to create is a YouTube title generator. There's this great create feature in here. So if I just want to build a YouTube title generator, the GPT builder will actually start doing this. It'll be interesting to see what it comes up with, and we'll make a bunch of tweets. But just basic, lowest level, 1, 2, 3, like a 6-word sentence. We have title master. Yes, that sounds good. We're not going to keep title master, but let's see what it does. Generating a profile picture automatically too. So let's see what it says. Generate a title for a daily series where I'm creating videos, building custom, building custom GPTs. The first is building a YouTube title generator. Are they even called title generators? Honestly, it's not that bad of a title. Title, it would be very funny if this is a 3-minute, less than 3-minute video. I want to get more in the weeds with this though, because if we go into configure, you're going to see stuff like name. You can edit the name, edit the description, which shows up, which is mostly for people, but this is, in the instructions, is what actually is informing the model on what to do. Yeah, which is great. It should avoid misleading or clickbait titles, which is nice because we're going for authenticity here. Ensuring they're accurately representative and should be able to adapt. That's cool. So since this is for me that I'm building it, although I will share the link afterwards in the description below, let's fuck around and I like to use examples of like really good ones. So I'm going to use Prompt Perfect, which is another tool that I've built in the past. Say, I want to know what makes the best YouTube titles. Please pull a list of very successful YouTube video titles and create a style guide for how to write them. That's cool. So let's see how this works. The cool thing about Prompt Perfect is it automatically refines the prompt. So for a basic prompt like this, it should expand it with more context and detail. Let's take a look. Oh, nice. So it'll take a minute here to search Bing. ForbesIndia.com, Databox.com. It is fun to see little robots going around the internet and doing your bidding for you. Analyzing successful titles and hearing the best practices. From the list of most viewed titles, we're going to serve some common patterns. Oh, Johnny, yes, Papa. What is Johnny, yes, Papa? I've never heard of that. I can't believe it's so famous. Oh, that is creepy. Oh, I'm sure I cannot watch that on here and also post on YouTube. Nice. All right, so this gave me a bunch of stuff, but it basically says, catchy titles like Baby Shark Dance, Despacito, and Johnny, Yes, Papa, Bath Song, and Shape of You. They're direct, memorable, and easily associated with the video content. I'm going to Let's go in here. Direct, memorable, and easily associated seems super important. Match your title with your video content. Understand your audience. Conduct keyword research. Use brackets in your title. Ooh, who uses brackets? Literally none of these use brackets, but under 60 characters, that seems important. Okay. That's interesting. Character count. Actually, let's see if this can do this. How many characters is... Oh yeah, using code interpreter. Love it. 69. Yes, that's more than 60 characters. Clear value. All right, I'm interested in proven headline. What are some proven headline frameworks that work? Listicle style titles. No, I don't want to do that. Title and thumbnail, study competitors, audience language. Yeah, easily understandable, which I think is covered. Direct, memorable, and easily associated. Compelling hook. Damn, there's a lot of things that go into writing a title. All right. Several headline frameworks, but undefined. Question-based headlines. That's interesting. Creative question stems. How do you, what if, why should you? 5 tips for crafting question-based headlines, short headlines, specificity, urgency. All right. Several proven headline frameworks identified in attracting attention. Specific, numbers, brevity, emotional appeal, and testing and tweaking. I want to just throw these in here too. And let's add questions in there too. What if we just made every headline a question headline? I don't know if that's a great idea. Starting a YouTube channel and every single headline is a question. I don't think so. So fuck that. We're not going to do that. Great. I think that is a good start. So let's take these. And then I'm going to go in here and say, I'm writing custom instructions for an AI model. Good thing about using Prompt Perfect is like you don't have to overthink everything you write because it's going to send it and automatically refine it. It's really great for making videos. Please write some instructions for a YouTube title generator that takes in either a script or description or a link to a video and generates a title. Actually, I'm not going to do a link because it's not going to be posted beforehand. Takes in either a script or description of a video and generates a title. Please adhere to these. Have it adhere to these rules or in style guides. And then I'm just going to paste all that in here. See what we get. There we go. Ensure title is straightforward. Title must not exceed 60 characters to ensure visibility. Incorporate engaging element. I don't want use of numbers, so I'm going to end up taking that out. Aim for a title length of 6 to 8 words. Craft titles that evoke emotions. If suitable, use thought-provoking questions. I don't think we're going to do additional considerations for now. I like this. What happens if we just put this in the configuration? So, boom. Oh, shit. I wish I had saved that up there. Can I save that? No. Fuck. What if I do this? I want to copy that again. All right, I'm going to save, generate a... Check this out. Oh, it doesn't work well. Title for a daily series where I'm creating videos, building custom GPTs. The first is building a YouTube title generator. Voice to text, love it. Generate title daily series, I'm creating videos. There we go. All right, sweet. And then this expansion feature is going to be super helpful. Instructions. And you honestly don't... Lines are better for humans, but AI is just going to see a line break as another character, so you don't really need it in there. I'm going to do a few things, like you are an AI model that generates YouTube video titles based on a provided script or video description. Guidelines. Model accepts a script. Output generates a title. Let's do generates 3 title options that are creatively different for the YouTube video that adheres to the following criteria: direct and memorable, character limit, clear value proposition, compelling hook, specificity. We'll include numbers in the title. Let's not say top 10. Aim, emotional appeal, question-based approach. Nice. All right. So that is different now. So let's see what happens. Last time it gave us day 1, the ultimate YouTube title generator with custom GPTs. If we do it again, it'll say day 1, crafting a custom YouTube title generator GPT. Kickstarting my GPT journey, building a title master, creating a YouTube title genius. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 words. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did we say 6 to 8 words? Where did that go? Yeah, 6 to 8 words. I wonder what happens if we say title length of 6 words. Let's go ahead and copy this. All right. I want to see if it's shorter. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're all still 7 or 8. So you'll find one thing is OpenAI or ChatGPT or whatever you want to call it isn't the best at actually adhering to a numbers thing. And I don't know if it added the context of that so that it still sees 8 words. Aim for a title of less than 8 words, bounce and brevity. Let's take that out. Okay. I want to see what happens now. I'm just going to play around with it. Oh yeah. I mean, really, this one's pretty solid. They're all not as short as I'd like. I wonder what we could do. We could try this. For each title, run a program to ensure it's less than 8 words. If it is not, please rewrite as less than 8 words. Let's see what happens there. So I'm thinking it's going to use, it uses code interpreter now. And you can see it happening live. This is fascinating. Here are 3 title options. I'm going to close this so that it renders right. There's always, with new technology, it's not going to be perfect. So, rendering things, that happens. Custom GPT for YouTube titles tutorial. Creating custom GPT for YouTube titles. Custom GPT for YouTube titles, how it's done. I like these, actually. They're a little better. That is solid. I wonder if I put the script of this in here. I'm going to pause this for a second and take some of the script and put it in here and see what happens. Okay, fuck yeah. It took longer than I thought. I was going to try and get the actual script from this one, but it's not updating live, so I actually went back to a video tutorial I made for Prompt Perfect. So let's do generate a title for this video script. And it's just a very simple tutorial. Let's see what happens. Enhance your prompt, simple and effective, base title. It's really cool to see this happening live. Fucking AI is sweet. Maximize outputs with Prompt Perfect, simple and effective. Enhance your prompts with Prompt Perfect. It's pretty solid, especially since this is like a 1-minute tutorial where I literally only talk about using it. And I think if I wanted to do the video is a tutorial, add that into the title. Let's see what happens. I think some people, when they start using AI, don't realize you have to type in a bunch of shit all the time because, iterating will get you something better. So if you don't get the perfect title the first time, you can keep going. Sometimes it could take you a long time to get the perfect thing. Prompt Perfect tutorial, enhance your prompt. Tutorial, easy prompts. Now that's good. So I think that is great. There's one thing I want to add in here, which I think most people should do. And I'll just add it back at the bottom, or at the bottom. Also, it's important to note you can only have 8,000 characters here. Let's see. How many characters is this? Oh, I might reach out to them and tell them it would be nice. There's no character counter here, which is wild. Because you can only do 8,000 characters, so it'd be nice to know. Just one of those simple little things there that lets you know how many characters you have left. But let's see how many we're at. And it's going to use, so when you ask, it should take this through and write a little formula for counting the characters. There you go. 1862. Okay. We got a lot more room if we wanted. But one thing I want to add in here is at the end, ask if these are good. And if not, ask for more context to add. Detail to add and enhance the title options. Boom. Close. And it automatically saves, which is great. So now let's just do a test one. Suggest a title for a tech review video. Need more specifics. Nice. It's about the new iPhone. Let's see. Ooh. Nice. These titles work for video. It's a negative review. Thank you for clarifying. New iPhone flaws. What went wrong? Nice. Honest take, is the new iPhone a fail? Sweet. And those are short. It is wild, like, this is 34 characters. That's probably the longest I'd want any title to be, for it to be actually readable. Great, love it. Title master and this description are not, so I feel pretty good right now about this, even though it didn't use code interpreter right there. Write a title about, did I ever save that? Here, let's just see what happens. I'm using voice to text again. Generate a title for a daily series where I'm creating videos building custom GPTs. The first is building a YouTube title generator. The first is a building. I wonder how fun this is to watch. It can't be that fun. All right, let's see what happens. Should use code interpreter, right? No? These aren't bad, but they don't use code interpreter anymore. I wonder if it's because, so you'll find that as you change things, it'll change. Fuck, why don't I save that? Oh, crap. All right, one more time. Generate a title for a daily series where I'm creating videos building custom GPTs, period. The first is building a YouTube title generator. Also, it looked like it was going to say generator like this, which is funny. All right, I'm just going to save this as one of these. Genius idea. All right, now let's see if it actually runs the program. That's funny. It's like the space actually made a difference there. I wonder. Nice. I like this. I kind of want to save this. I don't need that anymore. Boom, day one. Love it. Oh, whoops. Here we go. Nice. So now let's change the name. Let's just use AI to change the name. So we're already in here. I mean, this is specifically all the instructions for this model are about YouTube titles. I wouldn't normally use it for anything else, but let's just see what happens. I want a great name for a YouTube title generating GPT. It should be 1, 2, 3 words. Not use the word YouTube. And be effective. I don't know. I'm going to use it here, and then I'm also going to use it with Prompt Perfect and see what happens. Title master, clickbait creator, headline hero. Yikes. Let's see what happens here. TitleCraft. Nice. I'm also just going to type perfect. I've been meaning to update this so you don't have to use perfect in front, but by typing perfect in front, it will automatically send it to the API. VidTitle Pro. Yeah, let's do that, which should explore variations of the name VidTitle Pro. Assess how the proposed name aligns with target user base. VidTitle Wizard. TitleCraft Elite. VidTitle Expert. TitleCraft Elite. I do like TitleCraft though, so I'm going to take that. And I'm just going to say TitleCrafter. I wonder if I put day one in there, would that be weird? Let's do something funny. Feed me a script or description of a video and all craft 3 options for YouTube titles. Boom. YouTube titles. And I wanted to put YouTube in here because if the GPT store does come out, it'd be nice to, if people are searching for YouTube specifically for tools that help with YouTube, that it'll show up. Now for this, let's use DALL-E. Oh, that's an I haven't done that before. So if you click it and just say use DALL-E, it'll generate another one. It's taking its sweet time. I might also do this. So at the bottom, you can have capabilities. So this has web browsing, DALL-E, and code interpreter. Kind of sick. You can turn them off if you don't want it in your GPT. Ooh, it showed up. Well, I don't know if that's good. It's got YouTube's logo in it. Not trying to get shooed. All right. Craft a simple logo. Let's do 2-colored. I like 2-colored logo for TitleCrafter. It should have simple features and show that it will help you get more views on your videos. Let's see what happens. There we go, creating image. Having DALL-E natively in ChatGPT now is kind of a game changer. And you're allowed to use all of the generations for whatever you want. Granted, I don't think this one's not showing right now, but just by zooming in, you can see somehow it grabbed like the old YouTube logo. Ooh. Thanks. I like the icon with the arrow. Generate variations with just that icon and no verbiage or words. You know, the most iconic logos have no words. They start to put words around them down the line, but let's be honest with ourselves. We don't need words on a logo. There's so many words all over the place. TitleCrafter. Oh, I like it. Damn. Whoa. This one's cool. I asked it not to have words, and I just went on that long thing about how I didn't want it to have words. But fucking all the words looks pretty good. Here are the variations. Could you output just the first one from the top left? I wonder if it'll do that. AI's freaking crazy, man. Let's see. Like, I have some context into what goes on in the background here, and if it does just spit out that is batshit. I mean, it'll probably give a variation of this. Damn! Alright, I like it. So I just downloaded it. Let's upload photo from my downloads. Jesus. I like it. That's a good logo. Alright, feed me a script or a certain video. I'll craft the option for YouTube titles. Get more eyes on your videos. I don't know why I'm working to changing that up, but that looks good. Feed me a script or a description video and I'll craft 3 options. 3 YouTube title options. That sounds more direct. Also, let's go back to prompt perfect. How would you make this description better? Let's see what we get. There we go. Maybe that's more to the point. Also, that didn't even use prompt perfectly. Fucking cares. Oh no! Oh no! Oh shit! I think I just lost the whole thing. Oh, thank God. Good God. Thank goodness this thing Odyssey. Provide a script or detailed description of your video, and I will expertly generate. I will generate 3 YouTube title options for you. Enhance your videos and attract a audience with great titles tailored to your content. Boom. Now that looks too long. Let's do this. Let's go back to prompt perfect. Perfect. Make this more concise. See what happens. So looking at this, when you go, and I'll show it at the end, when you go to the end of or when you go to the landing page for this, this will show up. That looks messy. Let's see. Yeah, let's make it shorter. Also, my phone's going to run out of battery, which is being used here. How can we find next steps? Yes. Boom. The automatic refinement of prompts is the shit. But we're going to wrap this up here soon. Love it. This is it. I'm going to go back to feed me because I like it. All right, so that's 3 lines. Love it. Like it, love it. On the script. Love it. All right, let's see what happens here. Is it working? Yes, she is. TitleCrafter live in the flesh. Here we go. Day 1, building my own YouTube title AI. Start to finish my YouTube title GPT creation. I like that. Day 1. I'm going to choose between those 2. I'll do it after the fact because my phone's dying. Sweet. So if you build a GPT, all you got to do is go save. You can publish only to yourself, only people with a link, or public. Let's go only people with a link for now, and I will put the link in the description of this first video. I appreciate everybody who watched. I'm sure it'll be very few, but it's fun. I'm going to be doing this every day. I have a bunch of stuff that I actually want to build for myself, and it'll be fun to push myself. Here's the link, and here's how it works. So when you go to the link, it'll take you to the GPT. You'll have to have ChatGPT Plus to use it. But yeah, that's it. That's a wrap for today. We will see you next time.